Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this super cute mug, to which I added a vinyl decal to using Teckwrap vinyl. So if that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Before we begin, I want to show you all of the vinyl that I use for this decal. I did use two of Teckwrap's Shimmer adhesive vinyls. I used the color black and the color white. These Shimmer adhesive vinyls are shimmery and they do have a smooth surface. I do have a discount code with Teckwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll put the Teckwrap website down below in the video description, and I'll also put my discount code there. Definitely check out the Teckwrap website. On their website, you'll find all types of vinyl, from basic colors to specialty vinyl. For the colored vinyl that I used for this decal, I used 3 of Teckwrap's glossy adhesive vinyls. They do offer their glossy vinyl in a sheet pack, and you can also purchase it in rolls. The 3 glossy vinyls that I used for this decal were Sweet Pink, Lavender, and Powder Blue. These sheet packs come with 21 12x12 adhesive vinyl sheets. So here I have already cut out all the layers of my decal. I did cut my decals out using my Cricut Explore Air 2. This type of vinyl works on any type of cutting machine. I did purchase this SVG cut file from Etsy from the shop Decals and Daydreams. I'll link it down below in the video description. Now that I have all my decal layers cut out, I'm going to weed them out using my Teckwrap weeding pen. You can find all the materials that I used in this video linked down below in the video description. I'm going in and removing all of the excess vinyl from each one of my vinyl decal layers. So here I'm going to begin to layer my decal. I did tape my bottom layer to my table here using painter's tape to prevent it from moving around. To layer my decal, I'm going to be using Teckwrap's matte transfer tape. To layer your decal the way that I'm doing it here, you're going to want a piece of transfer tape that you have already used a couple times on previous projects. You want a piece of transfer tape that is not as sticky. Here I'm going in with the first layer of my decal. I'm adding my transfer tape on to this first layer, which is the white Shimmer adhesive vinyl. I'm going to try to center this as best as I could. You could use parchment paper to help with your placement. Taping your bottom layer onto your workspace really helps when layering your decals. It helps keep that bottom layer in place. Once I have found the correct placement, I'm going to use my finger to adhere that top layer onto the bottom layer. The purpose of a less sticky transfer tape is that you'll be able to easily pull it off and use it for your next layer. So here I'm going to continue these same steps for the remaining layers of my decal. So here's the cup that I'm going to be using. It is a 14-ounce stainless steel mug. I purchased this mug at Michael's and it did come with a lid. So now I'm going to take my same piece of transfer tape and I'm going to add it to the entire decal here. And I'm going to use my squeegee to make sure that my decal adheres on well to my transfer tape. Now I'm going to take my decal and I'm going to try to center this as best as I could on my cup. Using my squeegee, I'm pressing down on my decal, making sure that it adheres on well to my cup, and then I'm slowly going to remove the transfer tape. And here is how my cup turned out. I absolutely loved how this cup turned out. It definitely has to be one of my favorite cups that I have made with Teckwrap vinyl. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching.